Thanks for tuning in. This video right here is going to be real quick. I'm just going to show you how to create a free account with AWeber so you can have an email marketing platform to help grow your business. First step is you're simply going to go to AWeber.com. I'll leave my link down in the description. It'll take you right to the website. Once you get here to AWeber.com, you're simply going to scroll to the top here and click on the Get AWeber Free tab. All right, once you're here, you're going to put in first name, last name, and email address. And you're going to click on the Start Growing Today. All right, so once you get here, you'll see that they're going to ask you to go and confirm the email address that you use when creating the account. All right, so I'll go to my email. So you're going to get an email that looks just like this, and you're just going to click on the Get Started tab. All right, right here, you're going to re-enter in that same email, and you're going to create your password. All right, then you're going to click on Save Password. All right, when you get to this page, you're going to see multiple packages right here, but all we need is the free account. All right, you can get up to 500 subscribers with the free account, so that's more than enough to start off with. So just going to click on Continue with Free. All right, this page right here, they're going to ask you for name of the company and the website. All right, so if you don't have an LLC and you're just signing up as yourself, all right, you would just put your name. The website can be left blank. All right, then you can select what industry you're in, etc. All right, the industry I'm in, I'll put in blogger. All right, for this, if you've never used AWeber before, you can just click no. Me personally, I'm familiar with it already. Continue. Okay, right here is the address, and this is a real important piece here. If you've ever noticed, when you get when you subscribe to someone's email list and they send you an email, if you scroll all the way to the bottom of the list, you'll see there's an address actually listed right there. Take that in mind, that this address that you enter here will be visible to subscribers on your list when you send them an email. All right, me personally, I have a virtual address. All right, so it's not tied to my direct location, but just be aware that this address is visible to your subscriber. Here, all right, so whatever address you figure you want to go with, you're going to put that in here. Once you put in the address, you're going to click on Continue. All right, and now they're going to ask you if you already have an email list. If you have an account with GetResponse or MailChimp, right, you can integrate those into here. All right, for this example, I'll put no. I'm just getting started with email and hit Continue. All right, then they're going to ask you what are your business goals. This part I usually just skip there. All right, and also they're going to ask you what other tools do you use for your business. You know, me personally, I deal with lead pages, you know, YouTube, Canva, Shopify. So you can just select whichever ones apply for you and hit Continue. Okay, it would officially bring you to your AWeber dashboard. I'm going to actually create a playlist on AWeber, so I'll have multiple videos going over different steps as far as setting up a campaign, autoresponder series. So definitely have those videos coming, but this one right here, I wanted to keep it short and just show you step by step on how you create that free AWeber account. All right, so thanks for tuning in. I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.